step into the 2013 Honda Accord SD Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine immobilizer, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, automatic headlights, fog lamps, MP3 player and auxiliary audio input. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.